Hello everyone, this is your professor once again, Danny Araneta Cabulay, and we are resuming our lecture on recruitment and selection. This is week number 6, video number 3. Okay, so let us look now at our lesson on how to choose the most appropriate recruitment technique. Kasi baka mamaya yung mapili nating technique, hindi natin makukuha yung target natin na tamang candidates for applications. Yung mga nag-a-apply hindi qualified. O kaya konti lang yung nag-a-apply. Or baka mamaya matagal sila mag-apply, wala pang kandidato. We will not meet our deadline. Or baka napakalaki ng gagastusin natin. Okay? Could be very expensive to recruit. So, we are going to look at 3 criteria. Number 1, you ask the question, will this technique generate the most number of qualified and competent applicants? Second question, will this technique meet your timeline or deadline, especially if you are urgently requiring some employees or there is an urgent vacancy? And number 3, you ask the third question, will this technique be the most cost-effective in producing the most suitable candidates? Yan po ang tatlong pamantayan sa pagpili ng tamang recruitment technique. Let us look at a particular case study. Now, this is the case study wherein we are looking for a news anchor. Alam niyo yung news anchor, yan yung nagbabalita, no, sa television, tagapaghatid ng balita. Kagaya na Noli Cabayan de Castro o si Karen Davila. Yeah, those are examples of si Mike Enriquez ng channel, si Arnold Clavio ng Channel 7. So those are examples of newscasters. So here's the case. Kapamilya Network is looking for a new talent to fill in the vacancy for a news anchor to replace Bernadette Sembrano. Kilala niyo si Bernadette Sembrano, who will go on a maternity leave for 9 months. Kasi 9 months magbuntis ang babae, hindi ba? Beginning the next 4 weeks. Okay. The network is looking for a pretty face. Siyempre, kailangan maganda yung ating news anchor, tagapaghatid ng balita. Okay? An established news anchor, ayaw nila ng fresh face. Gusto nila yung kilala. No? Established na. Magaling siya sa pag-news anchor. Okay? And with immense drawing power. Gusto niya medyo popular yung kanilang makuhang news anchor. So, hindi to bagito, hindi to starlet. Kailangan talaga may drawing power. Meron na siyang mga fans. Okay? The HR department is assessing 3 possible recruitment techniques. Saan ba tayo makakahanap ng magaling na news anchor na ipapalit natin kay Bernadette Sembrano? Paano natin hahanapin itong tao na ito? Ang pinagpipilian, gagamit sila ng headhunter or executive search. Medyo mahal yan, right? Pangalawa, online advertisement. They will use crowdsourcing. Baka yung mga netizens may kilala. Okay? At pangatlo, referrals or word of mouth, yung mga kakilala. Baka mayroong gusto mag-refer. Ayan. So, 3 choices. Check out how the HR department chose the technique that they will use so they can recruit the right person. The scoring was done this way. 5 points kapag excellent, 4 points kapag very good, 3 points kapag good, 2 points kapag fair, and finally 1 if it is poor or deplorable. Okay? Let us see how the HR department scored the 3 options. For large volume of applicants, option 1, headhunter, 4 points. Option number 2, crowdsourcing, 5 points. Option number 3, referral, 4 points. In terms of meeting the deadline or timeline, option number 1, headhunter, 5 points. Crowdsourcing, option number 2, 4 points. For option number 3, referral, 3 points. Now for the last criteria, cost effectiveness. Headhunter, 4 points. Option number 2, crowdsourcing, 3 points. And finally, option number 3, referral, 4 points. Let us add up all the scores divided by 3 so we can get the average or what you call the mean score. So for option 1, Headhunter, 4 plus 5 plus 4 equals 13. Divided by 3, 4.33. That is the mean score for option number 1. For option number 2, crowdsourcing, 5, 4 plus 3 equals 12 divided by 3 equals 4.00. That is the mean score for option number 2. And for option number 3, referral, the scores are 4 plus 3 plus 4. That's a total of 11 divided by 3 equals 3.67. That is the mean score for option number 3. So clearly, the option with the highest score or mean score is the choice, the chosen recruitment technique to be used to look for the replacement of Bernadette Sembrano. And the highest mean score is option number 1, Headhunter. Kahit medyo may kamahalan, yan ang magiging most appropriate. Okay? Now, here is the case study that you will answer, and you put your answers in the comment section below the YouTube video. Here's the case study. Wanted guidance counselor. Integrated Montessori Center, it's a school, needs to hire within 30 days a guidance counselor to serve both the high school and elementary departments. The ideal candidate must have a valid PRC license as guidance counselor, 24 to 40 years old, good communication skills, self-driven, and with leadership and high integrity. Take note, hindi sinasabi kung with or without experience. So kahit mga fresh grad, pwede mag-apply. Okay? O yung bagong pasa sa board exam, pwede rin mag-apply. Kung experience, probably better, right? The HR manager is considering 3 techniques. First one, placement agency. The second option is online advertisements. Number 3 is association announcements. Doon sila mag-advertise sa Society of Guidance Counselors of the Philippines. Score each technique and write in the comment section in YouTube, in this video, your chosen technique. Again, the scoring will be 5, excellent, 4, very good, 3, good, 2, fair, and 1, poor. Okay? So don't forget, make sure you place your answers to the 2 questions in the comment section of video lecture number 3 for week number 6. So stay tuned for video number 4. I'll see you around. Bye!